Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's story. This is a story about finding your strengths, believing in yourself, and learning how practice and passion can help you reach success. So stay with us till the end, and let's enjoy this beautiful and inspiring story together. In a small, peaceful town, there lived a cheerful 12-year-old boy named Ryan. He loved playing football and spent most of his free time on the playground after school. Ryan was active, friendly, and full of energy. But one subject always made him feel sad: math. His best friend Ethan was great at math and always scored high marks. One day, Ryan came home looking upset. His father noticed and asked gently, "What's wrong, Ryan?" Ryan sighed and said, "Dad, I try so hard, but I can't do as well as Ethan in math. No matter how much I study, I keep making mistakes." His father smiled kindly and decided to teach him 3 important life lessons. For the first lesson, his father asked Ryan to invite Ethan to play football the next day. Ryan agreed, and they met at the playground after school. When they played, Ryan easily scored several goals, while Ethan struggled to keep up with him. That evening, his father asked, "How did the game go?" Ryan smiled proudly and said, "I won. Ethan couldn't stop me." His father nodded and said, "See, Ryan, everyone is good at something different. Ethan is great at math, and you are great at football. We all have our own talents." The next day, Ryan's father gave him another challenge: to observe how often Ethan practiced math. Ryan noticed that Ethan was always working with numbers, solving puzzles, and practicing during breaks at school. Later, his father asked, "What did you see?" Ryan replied, "Ethan practices all the time." His father smiled and said, "That's the second lesson. Practice makes you better. The more you practice, the stronger your skills become." For the third lesson, his father asked, "How much better is Ethan at math than you?" Ryan thought for a moment and said, "Maybe 3 times better." His father said, "Then try studying math 3 times harder tomorrow." Ryan nodded and did his best. He studied for hours until he got tired and fell asleep on his books. His father gently woke him up and said, "You see, Ryan, it's hard to work hard on something you don't enjoy. But when you love what you do, practice feels easy and natural. So either do what you love or learn to love what you do." From that day, Ryan stopped comparing himself to others. He focused on his own strengths and started enjoying learning. Slowly, his math improved, and he continued to shine on the football field too. Over time, he became good at both because he learned to believe in himself, to practice with patience, and to follow his passion. This story teaches us that everyone has their own special gifts. Don't compare yourself with others. Just keep learning and keep improving. With practice, patience, and passion, success will always follow you. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more simple